Another common fitting that installers must navigate is a T. Prior to beginning the installation, ensure that you are wearing all the necessary personal protective equipment, PPE. This includes gloves and safety glasses. You may also use a dust mask if desired, but it is not necessary. For each of the following installation methods, you will need a duct board knife, a measuring tape, a straight edge, a squeegee, UL 181A approved tape, and something to mark the material, like a white pencil or a piece of chalk. Be careful when using a ductboard knife, as the sharp edge can easily cause injuries. Since Spiracoustic Plus is designed to maintain self-applied pressure, most applications don't require mechanical fasteners. However, for applications where the diameter of the spiral pipe is greater than 60 inches across, mechanical fasteners should be used to ensure the insulation remains in place. Many fabricators and installers have a template that enables them to make the appropriate cuts on Spiracoustic Plus. However, if you do not have such a template, you can use the following method to install Spiracoustic Plus into a T fitting. First, measure the circumference of the duct and cut the appropriate length to line the duct with Spiracoustic Plus. Then, roll the material as you would for a straight duct. Slide the insulation into the smaller branch that extends from the T, pushing it past the intersection so that it almost touches the opposite side of the duct. For very small diameter and small diameter ducts, the material should slide into the duct. For large diameter ducts, the material can be folded into a heart shape and placed into the duct. Once released, the material should pop into place. Use the inside of the duct as a guide to trace the wave shape of the intersection. You will then use this line as your guide to cut the material. Remove the insulation from the T and trim the Spiracoustic Plus along the trace line. Next, place the Spiracoustic Plus into the cross-section of the T, with the uncut end going in first. Using the top edge of the duct as a guide, cut away the excess and set the insulation aside. As you did with the branch section, use the inside of the duct as a guide to mark where you should cut the material. Remove the material and cut out the marked section. During this cut, it is critical to cut at a shallow angle with the blade tilted upward. This will allow the two pieces of the insulation to sit together evenly when both are in place inside the T. Reinsert both pieces of insulation into the fitting, starting with the cross-section of the T first, followed by the branch section. Ensure that all ends are butted snugly together, and coat the joint with Super Seal, ensuring that any gaps are well covered with the sealant.